Have you ever stopped to think about the tiny habits you do each day that might quietly make you look older than you really are? Working for many years with seniors, I've seen how small routines, things we barely notice, can slowly make us appear tired, distant, or less vibrant. Family and friends often stay silent because they don't want to hurt feelings. That means these issues can go unnoticed for years. But the good news is this. Today, we'll uncover 6 common habits that speed up the aged look, and I'll show you simple ways to reverse them. Make sure you stay until the end. These insights can refresh the way others see you and boost how confident you feel every single day. 1. Skipping basic self-care. One of the first things people notice, yet rarely talk about, is when simple grooming slips. Things like nails getting too long, hair becoming messy, beards looking rough, or clothes looking too worn. As we age, our routines shift, energy dips, and eyesight might not be as sharp, making it easy to ignore these little details. But when these small things pile up, they create an image of being tired or less lively. I once met Harold, a spirited 79-year-old who had always kept a clean look. Over time, he stopped trimming his mustache, skipped haircuts, and wore old, faded shirts. His loved ones noticed the decline, but no one wanted to say anything. One morning he caught his reflection and realized he didn't look like the man he felt inside. A haircut, a shave, and a few new shirts made a huge difference. He immediately felt brighter and walked with more confidence. How to fix this? Get quick hair trims every few weeks? Keep nails short and neat. Choose clean, well-fitted clothes. Use a gentle skin cream and lip balm. If you have facial hair, tidy it daily. Just a few minutes a day can transform your appearance and lift your mood. 2. Speaking too loudly or interrupting without realizing. Another quiet habit that can make someone seem older is speaking louder than needed or interrupting conversations. Many seniors experience slow, subtle hearing loss, often without noticing it. To compensate, they raise their voice or jump into conversations too soon. Others might feel overwhelmed or shut down, even though the intention is never rude. George, an energetic 81-year-old, loved attending group gatherings, but as time passed, he unknowingly spoke louder and started cutting people off. His friends never confronted him, but he noticed people pulling back during conversations. After a simple hearing check and practicing softer speech, his relationships improved almost instantly. How to fix this? Notice how people react. If they lean back or go quiet, soften your tone. Let others finish speaking before you respond. If you suspect hearing issues, get a hearing check. Balanced conversations feel warm, respectful, and uplifting, helping you connect more deeply with those around you. 3. Wearing clothes that no longer fit or suit you. A common habit many seniors fall into is wearing outdated or poorly fitted clothing. We tend to hold on to comfortable pieces from years ago, but as our bodies change, these clothes may no longer flatter us. Baggy, faded, or stretched-out items can make you seem older or less energetic than you truly are. I remember Edward, a stylish 76-year-old who slowly shifted to overly loose sweaters and old pants. People noticed his change in appearance but didn't want to offend him. When a relative gifted him a fresh polo and nicely fitted slacks, everything changed. Compliments came pouring in, and he felt younger, lighter, and more confident. How to fix this? Replace just 1 or 2 old items with clean, modern pieces. Choose clothes that fit properly, not too tight, not too loose. Pick colors that brighten your face. Update basics like shoes or watch straps. You don't need a new wardrobe, just a few fresh pieces that reflect who you are today. 4. Constant complaining or judging. A habit that pushes people away quickly is constant complaining or criticizing. It's easy to fall into negative speech. Our bodies ache, the world changes fast, and memories of better days feel comforting. But repeated negativity can drain conversations, shift your mood, and make people less eager to spend time with you. Samuel, a 72-year-old I once worked with, used to talk non-stop about how things were better in the past or how younger people lacked discipline. Slowly, his family shortened visits and some avoided deeper conversations. A gentle comment from a young relative made him realize how much he had been complaining. By shifting his focus and speaking more positively, his connection with loved ones grew stronger again. How to fix this? Listen to your own words. Are they mostly negative? Replace complaints with curiosity. I wonder why things are done this way today. Share gratitude or positive observations during conversations. Aim for a balanced tone. People naturally gravitate toward those who lift the mood and bring light into conversations. 5. Poor posture and weak body language. Posture sends powerful signals before you even speak. Slumped shoulders, dragging feet, crossed arms, or avoiding eye contact can make someone appear older, weaker, or disconnected. This often happens due to muscle changes, aches, or years of habitual movement. Evelyn, an active 85-year-old, began rounding her back and keeping her arms folded during conversations. People started offering unnecessary help or treating her as fragile, which frustrated her. After seeing a photo of herself, she became aware of her posture. By practicing upright alignment and more open body language, she began to look and feel stronger and more capable. How to fix this? Imagine a gentle string pulling the top of your head upward. Take clear, intentional steps instead of shuffling. Face people fully when speaking. Maintain gentle eye contact. Keep your shoulders open. Your posture can instantly change how people perceive your energy and strength. 6. Unpleasant smells from mouth or skin. This is sensitive but important. As we age, our sense of smell weakens, and dry mouth becomes more common, especially with certain medications. Dry mouth allows bacteria to grow, causing bad breath. Body odor can also increase when clothes aren't washed as often, or sweat glands change with age. Walter, a friendly 74-year-old, noticed his social circle shrinking, conversations got shorter, and people kept more distance. A relative gently encouraged him to drink more water and improve his mouth care routine. He added sugar-free mints, switched deodorants, washed clothes more frequently, and his social life quickly improved. How to fix this? Drink water regularly to prevent dry mouth. Use alcohol-free mouthwash. Chew sugar-free mints or gum. Shower daily or every other day. Wash clothes often and refresh deodorant. Change towels and bed linens weekly. Freshness helps you feel confident and makes spending time with others more enjoyable. In closing, as we close, here's a small personal challenge. What's one tiny habit you'll commit to starting today? Maybe I'll tidy my hair this week. I'll listen fully before speaking. I'll buy one well-fitted shirt. I'll keep my posture tall. I'll drink more water for freshness. Share your promise in the comments. Your idea might inspire someone else. If this message helped you, tap like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more helpful insights. Share this with someone who might need it. Thank you for spending this time with me. Stay bright, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.